Hi everyone, thank you for watching the video. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our audio transcriber with Glasp. So if you upload the audio file to Glasp, and we can transcribe the data to text, and also you can summarize it and highlight the transcribed text and so on. And also you can publish and share the, the transcription and summary with your friends, coworkers, and also in public. So let me dive into it. So this is my user profile page, and I selected uploaded files and audio. So, and if you click add audio file here, or if you click here, then you see upload audio file. And if you click it, and you will see the pop-up. So if you drag and drop your audio file here, and so I choose the audio file from our YouTube video. So, from Glasp Talk, where we interview professionals or creators working in the industries. So then once you select the audio file and click the upload audio file, then it will upload the audio file to Glasp, and we transcribe the audio to text. And so you can read the transcription. So yep, upload is done. And if you click it, it goes to the page, audio page. Then you can see a transcript like this, and you can copy the transcript, or you can download it as a .srt file, which is very common for time-stamped transcript, and so that you can upload this .srt file to your YouTube channel or anywhere, so that the video can detect which time frame which transcript fit into which timestamp, time duration or something like that. And also you can download the original audio file too. And if you want to change the title, you can change it, and this, save it. And also you can summarize the transcript with timestamp, so that in which what time the what kind of discussion are happening and what to pay attention to and so on. Then if you want to share this page with your friends or coworkers, or even publish it to somewhere on social media, or to the public, you can do so by clicking public. But please make sure you have permission to share the audio file, right? Then once you click select the public, and you can copy the link and share it with your friends or coworkers or on social media, so that the the people can see the summary and the transcript of the audio file. And since Glasp provides a web highlighting tool, so you can, when you find any interesting ideas, you can select the text, and you see the pop-up, so that you can highlight the text like this. And okay, this is interesting, so that you can highlight like this. And if you want to leave notes, then you can leave notes. Or if you want to share with as a quote image shot, and you can do so. You can choose a color and want to put a quote mark or italize, and I don't know, and or you can change the ratio of the width and the height, something like this. And hope you enjoy using this. And this is kind of beta. I hope it works for you. And if you have any question, feedback, please let us know. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.